Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, guys. Welcome back to It's Charlie's Time. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I apply Chebe powder to Charlie's hair. Guys, in the video before this, I showed you how I mix it and what I mix it with before applying it. I've done that. If you have not seen that video, watch this video, then go back and watch that video, or pause this video, go watch that video, and then come back to this video. Either way, this is what I'm going to be applying to Charlie's hair. Guys, we do not add heat to Charlie's hair, never ever. We don't even use a hair dryer. So going natural is not a problem for us because we do that on a regular. So guys, this is what it looks like. I had mixed it already in my previous video. It looks like that. It looks
Why does it look like dirt?
It does look like dirt, but it smells good because I added some things to it, so it smells good. So we're going to apply this to her hair. I'm going to get a close up so you guys can see. Close up so you guys can see what it looks like. It looks like paste, and Charlie says I should tell you guys that it's not edible. Yeah, no, you can't eat this, but we're going to be applying this to her hair. Guys, I'm going to apply this in sections. As you can see, I've already sectioned off her hair. I have already detangled it, and it is freshly washed. So we're just going to apply it as so. Guys, we're going to leave this in her hair for 1 to 6 hours, and then we're going to rinse it out. A lot of people say they leave it for days. I wonder how. It's so messy. I can't even imagine myself styling her hair with this stuff in it, and her going to school and it getting on her uniforms, and I just can't. It's going to be a whole big mess. So what we're going to do, we're going to use it as a deep conditioner, and we're going to let it sit for 1 to 6 hours in her hair. And guys, while it's sitting, I'm going to put this plastic cap on so it can help to penetrate it.
What does penetrate mean?
Penetrate means to work its magic, girl. We're going to let it work its magic. So that's what we're going to do. We're not going to leave it in for days. OMG, I don't know how people do it, but we won't be doing it. It's too messy. So we're going to let this do its thing, and we're going to wash it out. I want you to smell it, and I want you to tell me what you think it smells like, because I'm curious to see what your little nose thinks. Oh goodness, I can't get it open.
I do.
Oh, I got it. Sniff. Tell me 1 or 2 things you think it smells like. You got to do a comparison.
Smoke.
You think it smells like smoke? Okay, give me one more thing. Sniff.
Mint.
You think mint? Smoke, yes. You know what I think it smells like?
What?
Cigarette smoke.
Yes.
Like when we over your granny's house. It doesn't.
Yes, you got the perfect idea.
Okay, cigarette smoke. I told people about that. I think it smells like cigarette smoke. So I don't get how people leave this on their hair. I mean, you can add ingredients to make it smell better, but it literally does smell like cigarette smoke. And I do not like cigarette smoke.
Okay,
You can't,
wait.
you can't even smoke a cigarette in my house. I don't even want you to smoke a cigarette too much on my patio because it might come through my windows. But that's neither here nor there. So, yeah, we're not going to leave this in her hair. We're going to let it sit, though. We're going to let it sit and work its magic for 1 to 6 hours.
I like the way they smell better.
That's because I mixed some things in there to make it smell better. Okay,
Yeah,
so
I know you mixed this.
no, I did not mix 6 in 1. We always use this on your hair, but we did not mix 6 in 1. You're going to watch the video. You can see what I put in it.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, we're going to end this video because we're going to let this sit and then we're going to wash it. Or should I just come back with a hair washed? Nah, we're going to end this video. Because guys, let me tell you, it's in. We're going to let it sit for 1 to 6 hours and then we're going to wash it and then we're going to style her hair. Charlie has school tomorrow, so we're not going to be taking up too much time. But in the next video, we'll be styling her hair from today.
Bye.
Just like that.
See you guys later.
Okay, Charlie said let's end this video. On that note, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Hit
I was
that.
going to say that at the end when we wash my hair.
We're not washing your hair at the end. We're doing this now. Okay, so you end the video. My bad. That's her part. Go, girl.
Bye. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell.
Ooh.
And don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram.
Ooh. No, it's follow you on Instagram. Yes, follow you on Instagram. Okay, now. And are you done?
I know.
Okay.
Friend me on Roblox.
What's your Roblox name?
Charlie B 0413.
You're cutting off your head in the video.
13.
Okay, Charlie B 0413 is your Roblox.